Hey, what's up guys, this is Buddy from 𝐂𝐤𝐿𝐥. So today I will show you guys 5 apps that you should have in your iPhone. I would say every iPhone user should have these apps in 2022. They are all free and very useful. Also, they will help you guys a lot in day-to-day life. So before I talk about these apps, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So now let's start with the first app for the video, that is called Lanse. Lanse allows you to capture any color you want directly from your iPhone camera. Many times you want name of a certain color to enter in Paint or Photoshop. So this app will come in very handy then. So just open the app and all you have to do is just move app around the object or the color you want and then tap on capture and you have locked the color. Then tap on save and color RGB will be there in record. Not only from camera but you can also find color name from photos of your album. So just tap on photo over here and select any picture. Now move cursor to the color and then tap on save. But this photo feature works only if you guys have subscription. That's a bummer. But then too I think it's perfect app for you to find color code in live. Moving on to next app for the video, that is called Wi-Fi status. By the name only you might have idea that it's all about Wi-Fi, and that's correct. This app will let you know everything about your internet connection and your device connected to it. It's very simple app but very useful also. So here we have 5 options. In overview section you will get all the details about your Wi-Fi connection, cellular and your IP information. Then we have speed test too. You don't need to download any other apps to test your Wi-Fi speed. Also, you can see here how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi, including you with IP address. And also you can check ping latency over here for social media app and also for games. And at the last, you will get all info of your iPhone, including storage, battery details. I mean, this app has everything in one app only. You guys should definitely download it. Next, we have over here is a search filter. This is app that works with Safari. It's basically an extension of Safari browser. It's very useful. So first open Safari browser, then tap on these A's, manage extension, and from here enable search filter. Now Google something on Safari and you will get result from different domains, different websites. But suppose you don't want to see result from a certain website, or whenever you search something you don't want result from that website. So just swipe left like this and you can delete it. And you won't get any result from that web next time. And afterwards you change your mind and you want to see result from that web or domain. Just go to the search filter over here and you will find the deleted domain. So again swipe left and it will be recovered. And then next time you search something on Google, you will start seeing results from that domain. Next app is for widget. As you can see here, I have these awesome widgets over here. So these are all color widgets. It's perfect app for widget. I mean, it has all kinds of widget like volume, storage, battery, photo, health, etc. And not only widget, but this app has customized icon for your iPhone. Plus, we have a separate section for wallpapers. And the best part of this app is there are no ads. I like this a lot. Now let me show you how you can add a widget on your home screen. So just tap on any widget you want and you can see the preview of it in different size how it will look. Now tap on set widget and it will take few seconds. Then you will get a pop-up of widget installed. Then as you know, go to the home screen and add that widget. And from here select which size you want. Then once you have added it, as you can see here, it shows how to add the widget and then select whichever widget you want on your home screen. Also, if you want to change, then again go over here and change the widget. How easy and simple it is. Last but not the least, I mean this app is very useful in day-to-day life. So every day you read blog except PDF on any website that will give you something. Only when you enter an email ID. And that too valid they say, but you don't want to enter your own email ID, so this app is there for you. It's called temporary email. So basically This app will generate a temporary email for you guys, and then you can enter this email to a website or blog wherever you want. This app not only generate an email ID, but also if you guys get OTP or any PDF on it, you will get it over here. How cool is that? You can create multiple temporary email ID and switch it from here if you are gonna get text or OTP for verification. It's a very useful app. I think you should totally download this app. Also, you can switch language of the app from here. We get 4 different languages. They are English, Japanese, Hindi, and last is Thai. So anytime you don't wanna give your real email ID, this app has got your back. So these are the 5 apps that you should have on your iPhone in 2022, and they are very useful, and links of all the app will be mentioned in the comment box. So that's all for the video. Also let me know in the comments what do you think of these apps and which one are you gonna download it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.